God's fire was all we had, and it was the same for everyone. The sun was like a mother, dropping us off at the school gates, reassuring us that she'd be back later. And she always was. That was our life. Until it wasn't. We'll make our own damn suns. We'll make them out of glass and wire. And then we'll make them red and green and blue, and we'll make them dance into any shape we want. And the sun will never set. God's waves were all we had. The water on the rocks. The syrinx of the bird shook the air to your ears. The wind through the trees. The world was speaking, and we had no choice but to listen. That was our life. Until it wasn't. We'll make our own damn sound. Out of plastic, ferric oxide, out of ones and zeros and silicon. And then we'll take it with us everywhere, and the noise will never stop. And now light and sound is all I want. Constant light and sound, light and sound. I sleep with it, I eat it, I wash in it. Those sweet RGB pixels are like M&Ms, pure sugar. And now I can feel my teeth rotting. This is my life. But what if it wasn't?